katika starehe zake. Asanteni sana.
Tutamruhusu Mheshimiwa Rais aweze kuondoka na kisha Mheshimiwa Naibu Rais atafuata nyuma wakiandamana pamoja na viongozi wengine. Waruhusu kwanza viongozi wetu waweze kuondoka.
Hayawi huwa. It's now official that Professor Kindiki is the current Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya after he took oath of office. And of course, he took two oaths, one being the office of allegiance to the President and the Republic of Kenya, and the second oath being the oath of office in the execution of the mandate under the office of Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. And just to make sure that, just to wrap up what Kindiki said, he said, and he pledged his loyalty to the President in all times. And he said he will not let the President down. And he also thanked institutions that made this particular ceremony possible. And he said, this is the highest honor I have received in my entire life, just to quote his verbatim. And of course, President William Ruto has welcomed Professor Kindiki to that office of the presidency. And now, as Professor Kindiki came in as a Deputy President designate, he now goes home, or he goes with two titles, one being His Excellency, and of course the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. And Professor Kindiki becomes the second Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya in the current Kenya Kwanza administration, actually within 2 years after the successful impeachment of former DP Rigathi Gachagua, who was dealt a blow yesterday by the High Court, actually by the Eric Ogola-led three-judge bench that set aside the conservatory orders of the Kirinyaga, or rather the Kerugoya High Court, that had stopped the swearing-in of Professor Kindiki, and actually they made the path clear for him. And just hours later, or rather that today, this particular ceremony has happened.